all we have seen already. Louvre Museum is France. We have also here in Abu Dhabi Louvre Museum. So only Louvre Museum is completed, and Teen Lab Phenomena Museum is completed, and the third one, Abrahamic Family Houses, is completed. Rest of the other museums are under construction. So be ready with your cameras. Within 5-7 minutes it will come at you. Zayed National Museum, it's on your right hand side. Falcon Wings. So just next to that Falcon Wings Museum, there we have a 3 seam height, same color, structure is bit different. That is another museum. It's called Abrahamic Family Houses actually. The church, the mosque and the synagogue just together on the same place, just to show the diversity of nation. Extreme right side now, the white color building. This one is the Teen Lab Phenomena Museum. The art and the culture you'll find in the same place at your right side. It's just opened 10 days before. And now you can see the steel dome building, round shape, that beautiful one view, the oceanic view. Steel dome building, Abu Dhabi Louvre Museum. So Abu Dhabi Louvre Museum is just opened 2017 with the collaboration of France. So once you reach inside that museum, you will see the construction, the architecture you will find over here. It resembles with the things. The very unique items, the very unique architecture you will find within the main city of Abu Dhabi. And somebody was asking me, what is this purpose of this black pipes? It's on the right hand side, the green belt area, the green zone area. Then we have a black pipes. So somebody was asking me, what does this mean? So this is the actual drip irrigation. It's called drip irrigation system. So 3 times a day, 4 times a day, the water sprinkles automatically inside this area. And this water is coming from the household wastage water, because we are not mixing that household wastage water within the sea, inside the sea, because we are taking from the drinkable water from the sea. So after a long procedure inside desalinization plants, the water purification plants, so it will become a drinkable water.
Downtown.
Guys, this downtown area, the main city of Abu Dhabi, the downtown of Abu Dhabi, the official department has been starting at the right hand side, and now we have almost reached the next destination, the House of Artisans, the Heritage Village of Abu Dhabi. So you will find inside is the heritage of Abu Dhabi, the culture of Abu Dhabi, then the handicrafts of Abu Dhabi. So these kind of handicraft things were playing a vital role inside the trade before 1971. So we can explore inside this 30th century. So I can get ready, please. The bus will depart for the same.
Entrance is automatic.
3 minutes.
This is Artisans Museum. This is coffee making. Bait al Kahwa. So they give coffee to guests. That is their tradition. Okay. So just we are waiting here. We have only 20 minutes at this artisan museum. So there is not enough to see there. Just a couple of exhibits, and the two local people are working weaving there. So I just finished within 10 minutes. You can see the fort, like kind of.
Kasral Hussain. It's called Kasral Hussain. One of the oldest building here in Abu Dhabi. So now we're directly going to the lunch, guys. It will take 5-7 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to reach there, the lunch area. Private beach and the public beach also. So we're getting down here for the photo stop. We almost reached. You'll get the best picture point.
Abu Dhabi city. So just we can see entire Abu Dhabi sky tower, skyline. Sorry, UAE flag, everything here. Excellent. So this is looking much better than Dubai. Dubai is fully crowded buildings, narrow. So this is planned, looks like planned better than Dubai. Water is very pure compared to Dubai Marina. Let me go close to water. See, it is very pure and turquoise in color.
Costa Coffee, we're gonna spend 1 hour here, 4:35. Checking for food court.
So this is Marina Mall, excellent. So we are going for lunch. Second floor is the food court area. So directly I'm going for second floor because feeling hungry. So after eating something, then I will come back and explore this beautiful air-conditioned Marina Mall in Abu Dhabi. You can see Marks & Spencer, British retailer, H&M, British retailer, Zara Home, Aldo. This is second floor, food court. I'm just trying to find any Indian restaurant or South Indian, North Indian, preferably pure vegetarian. So KFC, I can't eat. Pizza, no. Popeyes, no. Papa John's, no. Pizza, I don't want to eat. Bosnian House, no. Ice Lab, no. So families, Philly Sticks, no. McDonald's. Oh, I had enough of it. Burger King. I had enough. Subway. I will try if I don't find any vegetarian or any Indian. I will ask someone, maybe Indian guy who is working here. They know better about the Indian food availability here. Otherwise, I will eat in Subway, veg sub, small sub. This is Subway, veg sub, 6 inches. So this is 20 dinars, 20 into 25. Like almost like having tea at 4 o'clock exactly in McDonald's. So this McDonald's, it is 4 dirham, kadak chai. So it is good, but not very hot. It's okay. So I have ordered with the Indonesian guy, and Kerala guy prepared me the tea. So it is truly cosmopolitan in Dubai. This is McDonald's. Is Arfida from Indonesia, Jakarta. So I'm just regarding these restaurants, food court in this mall in Abu Dhabi. So if we enter into the mall, come to the mall, it is excellent because it is air conditioned. Otherwise, we can't survive in the heat. So this is Italian Il Forno, Italian restaurant. This is Charlie's Philly Sticks. It might be from Philadelphia, US. Steaks. Shawarma, Hala, Abu Dhabi. This is Texas Kitchen. I think one more American joint. Never tasted anything here. So this is children's kids playing area. So I should not record because it's kids playing area. I'm just... Yeah, that's it. It's food court. And I am going to first floor with this beautiful escalator. And this is Abu Dhabi Marina Mall. Oh, escalator this side, sorry. This is different shops available in this mall. This is Typo. So bags, mugs, plastic items. Columbia is sportswear company. That is Levi's, Cotton On, Under Armour. So all multinational brands, Crocs, Yas perfumes. This is nice cafe where you can sit and drink coffee. This Pierre Cardin, Yatim Opticians, has look like local. UAE, Victoria's Secret, Oisho. I just want to go to Harbour or Marina, just in front of this nice coffee shop. Excellent architecture. So very beautiful Arabica. This Boots Pharmacy, UK pharmaceutical giant. I am in ground floor now. Hot Foy's, Hugo, I don't know what is this. And this is perfume shop, Al Majid. Perfumes in the middle. Aldar, I think looks like a real estate. Longines, Harmony Jewelers. So Aldo, Dune, London, Marks and Spencer, UK, Rolex, Switzerland, Sephora, Tudor. So all big brands. Joe and the Juice, I don't know where it comes from. So this is, I think, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi, miniature Abu Dhabi. It's beautiful. That is museum, which is a odd shape. This is Big Bus Abu Dhabi. I have not taken any big bus in this Dubai trip because I have booked packages. So each trip is 150 dirhams. So 150 into 24 rupees. So they're all good except yesterday's that marine, Dubai Marina trip cruise. That was not good. When food was not good. So except that, all three are good. One is Desert Safari, one is Abu Dhabi tour. So and one is Dubai City tour half day. So they're all good. I'll just talk to this girl, ask how much is the big bus costs in Abu Dhabi, and then I'll go to Marina. Harbourfront. See the city buses, AC buses, very good, nice car combination. And this is all parking area with this for this mall, and that also the Harbourfront. You can see the high-rise buildings. They are looking excellent, but only the sky is not clear. So I don't know the reason. In Dubai it was too bad. Here bit better compared to Dubai. Maybe season or sand or for smog, fog. I don't know the reason. But sky is not clear. So this is Marina Mall, very famous mall in Abu Dhabi.
Is the current ruler of Abu Dhabi and the current ruler with the old Saudi His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Same, exactly. Same time. Okay, we can proceed here. Is a local guide. You already slow down the car. This is the minimum speed for us.
This is a Royal Palace.
So this is
a visitor's entrance. We can come and visit this. This is Presidential
the
Palace.
White Palace building. The royal family offices are located inside the presidential
The
palace.
beautiful buildings.
And this is the main entrance of this at the Hard Towers.
This is Bab Al Khasar Hotel.
5-star hotel.
Grand-
We have also inside
Grand
this
Hyatt.
at the Hard Towers.
Grand Hyatt.
Conrad 5-star hotel.
Grand Hyatt.
Grand Hyatt. So just together is Grand Hyatt and Mobile
Aston
also
Martin.
right inside.
And this is
And you can see the Aston Martin car showroom on the ground floor.
Etihad Towers. This used in Hollywood movie. Location. This location. Towers.
President of the old 700s.
He is the president of United Arab Emirates. So for 7 Emirates.
Mecca, there we have a first, largest, biggest mosque in the world. second biggest also in Saudi Arabia, Medina, but this one is the 21st biggest mosque in the world. So this project was launched by His Highness Sheikh Said bin Sultan Al Nahyan, but unfortunately he died just before the completion of this mosque. So the construction was started in 1996. It was completed in 2007. But he was died in 2004. His Highness Sheikh Said bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the father of the nation. So this is the royal family entrance at your right hand side. This is only for the royal family. So the construction was started in 1996. It was completed in 2007. But His Highness Sheikh Said, he was died in 2004. So you can see 85 domes, 7 different sizes of 85 domes at the top of this mosque. And 4 minarets over there. In the top of these minarets, they may have a pure 18 karat gold. So what we are going to
ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.